Across the eons, the night sky has been our constant companion, a map of celestial certainties. But sometimes, it presents us with a visitor that defies simple explanation. In the heart of the Namibian darkness, automated telescopes scan the heavens, cataloging the familiar and hunting for the unknown. And then something new, a faint smudge of light, moving on a trajectory that marked it as a wanderer from the depths of our solar system. It was designated 3I Atlas. But as more powerful instruments turned to observe it, they revealed its first and most striking peculiarity: a vibrant, ethereal green. This color is not unheard of for comets, but the intensity and behavior of Atlas's glow suggested something was different. Seen from Earth, it was a celestial ghost, a puzzle painted on the canvas of the cosmos, beckoning scientists to look closer and unravel its secrets. To understand the visitor, we had to analyze its light. A technique called spectroscopy allows us to read the chemical fingerprint of distant objects. Typically, a comet's coma is dominated by a familiar compound, water, sublimating from ice into gas as it nears the sun. But the signature for water in Atlas's spectrum was faint. The dominant chemical, the source of this vast atmosphere, was something else entirely: carbon dioxide. This told us that Atlas was not your average comet. Its composition was alien, even by cometary standards. It was a body made not of water ice, but of frozen carbon dioxide, an atmosphere of dry ice. This discovery only deepened the mystery, because the strangest finding was yet to come. As scientists sifted through the complex spectral data, looking beyond the dominant gases, they found signatures that should not have been there. Faint, but unmistakable fingerprints hidden within the light. These weren't the signatures of common ices or gases. They were metals. Specifically, the spectral signature of nickel, an element normally locked away deep inside rocky bodies. Somehow, this comet was shedding not just gas and dust, but vaporized metal into its atmosphere. A truly bizarre and unexpected behavior. For metals to exist as a gas in the cold of space, they must be heated to extreme temperatures. Yet here they were, in the frigid atmosphere of a comet. With its composition revealing one puzzle after another, astronomers turned to its motion. The path of any object in the solar system is dictated by one primary force: gravity. But 3I Atlas was not following the rules. Its actual trajectory was deviating from the path gravity alone could explain. It was experiencing a gentle, persistent push, a phenomenon known as non-gravitational acceleration. Something other than gravity was acting on the comet. For most comets, this push comes from water ice vaporizing on the sunlit side, creating a jet-like effect. But Atlas had very little water. The green glow, the metallic atmosphere, and now, this mysterious acceleration. The pieces of the puzzle were on the table, but they didn't seem to fit. The final theory connects all the evidence, and it takes us back billions of years, to the birth of the solar system. Out in the coldest, most distant reaches, objects formed not from water ice, but from materials that freeze at much lower temperatures, like carbon dioxide. This object was likely a pristine remnant from that ancient era, a time capsule that had remained in a deep freeze, undisturbed for eons. Nudged from its distant orbit, it began its long fall toward the sun. For the first time in its existence, it felt real warmth. The sublimation of its carbon dioxide ice was far more energetic than that of water ice. This powerful outgassing provided the gentle, constant push that altered its orbit. And carried within those jets were the original, primordial dust grains from its birth, containing the very metals that so puzzled astronomers. The mystery was solved. 3I Atlas was not just a strange comet. It was a messenger from the dawn of our solar system, carrying the chemical secrets of our own creation. A fleeting visitor, its secrets revealed, now returns to the silent darkness from which it came, leaving us with a deeper understanding of our own cosmic origins. If you find these journeys into the unknown compelling, subscribe to continue exploring the universe with us, and like this video to support our mission.